Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 not reading your game disc. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So there's a couple different steps you can take to get your PlayStation 4 to read your game disc. And the first one is probably the most obvious and easiest, is to try to go ahead and clean it. Now I have a microfiber cleaning cloth, and this typically comes with glasses such as these, and you can go ahead and clean them without scratching the surface of your glasses. So go ahead and check around your house and see if you got one of these that came with your glasses or some other item. Now you can easily clean your game disc and make sure all the little dust material are off it. Now, if you've done this before and it doesn't work, let's go ahead and turn on our PlayStation 4 right now. So I have it in rest mode right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and then completely 100% turn it off. You can do this through the game menu as well if you hold down the power button and then go to turn off, or on the front of your PlayStation 4 if you press and hold down the power button and do this for about 5 to 6 seconds. You'll hear one beep and then a beep initially after that. Your PlayStation 4 will completely 100% turn off. So now that our PlayStation 4 is turned off, there is no light on the light bar up here on the console itself. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Press and hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep initially, and then about 5 or 6 seconds later, you will hear another beep, and this will launch our PlayStation 4 into safe mode. Now you will need a cable such as this, a USB to micro USB, to go ahead and operate the safe mode menu. So let's go ahead and plug this in and plug the other end into our controller and then press the PlayStation button. Now under this menu there's a couple things we can actually go ahead and try. Now a lot of times you'll be getting this error because a system update came out and for some reason it's not allowing you to go ahead and read the disc. So what we want to try is to go to option number 3 right here, update system software, and select this, and then go to update using internet. If you have a USB device you want to go ahead and try that as well, but it just takes a little bit more effort. So go to option number 3, update using internet, and go ahead and reinstall the update back onto your PlayStation 4. Now if you're still having errors after you've updated your PlayStation 4, go back to the safe mode menu and then go down to option number 5, rebuild database. So if you have any kind of corrupted data on your PlayStation 4, this should go ahead and fix it. So now when you go to this menu right here, it says it will take a few hours to rebuild the database. My experience only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Depending on how much information you have on your PlayStation 4 hard drive. Go to OK and press this, and it's going to restart your PlayStation 4, and then it will turn back on, and it'll give you an estimated time of how long it's going to take. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to the PlayStation 4 video game console coming up next on YourSix Studios.